Good morning, students. Today we will understand about shadow. Do you remember the concepts which we studied in our previous session? We understood that opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. Translucent objects allow partial light to pass through them. Now look at this picture. Can you tell me what kind of an object is a tree? Are we able to see through it? Not really. Hence, a tree is an opaque object. So, when an opaque object is placed in the path of light, the light cannot pass through it. The rays are stopped from going to the other side of the opaque object, and the space behind the body does not receive any light from the source. The space behind the opaque object where the light cannot reach is called a shadow. Shadows are formed because light travels in a straight line. Do you know, children? An opaque object casts a dark shadow. A translucent object casts a faint shadow. A transparent object casts no shadow at all. Remember this, children, that shadow is formed in the direction opposite to the source of light. Now let us understand characteristics of a shadow. A shadow is always black in color, no matter what the color of the object is. This is because the shadow is formed in the absence of light rays. Second, a shadow gives an idea about the shape of an object. Next, a shadow gives no idea about the color, size, etc. of the object. Now looking at this, can you tell me the things that are required for a shadow to be formed? Right, presence of a source of light. Next, an opaque object to obstruct the path of light. And the last, a screen or surface behind the opaque object on which shadow will form.